Yes. Yes.
Ano po yung mensahe niyo po sa ating mga kababayan? At ano po yung sa isang taon po na maaari po ang maibigay na karagdagang servisyo po in case man po na payagan ang extension po ng isang taon?
Even the question ay security pa. Sana hindi na ako sasagot para mamaya kung may kaya developments. Kaya I would like to tell you that initiative it is a surprise. It was a surprise po sa akin. Kaya hindi ba nagsisingin masyado yung extension sa akin. Kaya talumapin na yun pa ako makapagpunta sa ngayon when it comes to the extension.
Thank you so much po. Sa sir po po,
Thank you.
Once again, please introduce yourself and your name and affiliation before you ask your question. Hello, sir. Dito tayo po is called Mandela, important people. Sir, what is your challenges of working in this field at the same time? What makes you things na gagawin na dokumentary at libro ang buhay ng state police officer?
Well, that is for the future generations to see na there's this challenges, this sustenance of peace is expensive. Mahal ang kapayapaan. Not necessarily you exhaust money, resources, but you have to spend time and sacrifice everything to keep it peaceful as it is supposed to be. Thank you.
Next, we have Miss De Leon of Glitz PH. MK De Leon of Glitz PH.
okay na po, sir. Okay na lang. Natanong na lang.
Next is Mr. Roldan Castro of Abante Tonal.
Good evening po, kay Derek Edit po. Bilang author at bilang manunulat po, meron bang bahagi ng kwento ng libro na nakarelate kayo ng epekto?
Yung nakarelate sa book and
Yes po, sa kwento ng libro.
yung the longing of a mother. Yun yung tinext ko siya alas 4 na madaling araw. Sabi ko, sir, ano bang sabi ng nanay mo sa'yo na nasa hospital ka? Sinagot niya ako na, anak, nandito na ako. Tapos sabi ko, ewan ko kung narinig, sabi ko, gano'n. Tapos umiyak. Yun yung, kasi in our deepest, di ba, in our achievement, and when we're down, there's always the mother we call. Kaya nung sabi ko, sir, di ba na-hospital ka? Nung na-hospital ka, pagising mo na doon nanay, ano ang sabi sa'yo? Sabi niya, pagkagising ko, ang sabi ng nanay, narinig ko ang nanay ko, ang sabi, Hansel, narito ang nanay. So doon ako na-attach sa story. And that was not just a reaction of a child, but a reaction also of a mother, because I'm a mother. Just nakaka-relate ako doon.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you.